this is the dune rocks at Bucktooth Dune. And what you see now is a little tool located in the utilities called Simplygon um, to demonstrate two levels of detail for the rocks and the dunes. What it's doing right now is processing geometry reduction. Before that, it did the diffuse maps and specular and ambient, normal, um, and did it for the yellow and the blue LODs. What's great about this tool that you can split the views to see the differences as you zoom in and out. I just clicked Auto LOD and from the base model. In this case, it's a little over 200,000 polygons. So it just finished by default. I'll just see once it's generated here. Just thinking of the software. Well, while look at the main menu, it does a split. Okay, yeah, there we go. There's the geometry and um, if, if the vertex and but anyways, these are the LEDs and it's called mesh LOD type, where you take a large scene like this and try to take off the grid here right now, and I'll show you the vertex split screen, and it'll show you the difference as you zoom in and out with the LODs. You can see the difference here. Zoom in, zoom out. There's no pop. And anyways, the switch LOD is control right, control left, primary, and so I'm going to try control right, and you can see the different LEDs. The mesh LED 1, and it has 85,000 polys, and the base is 170, and it shows you the difference as you move to the right. So the base is on the left, and the reductions on the right. So those are just different. It's hard to see, but there's the text, base and right. So as it go where you can see, now I've got mesh LOD 1 and LOD 2, and you can't really see a lot of the differences. You can enable wire shade, so you can see the wire differences from the left and right, and I'll continue going to the right. So there's the LOD 2, and then and that's down to 42,000 polygons, so we're 1/5 the quality, and it does the best job in the industry that I know of that to switch and go into poor quality, and but it'll do like 20 levels of detail on the models, and it does a comparison, which is really nice too, with the switch. You'll also do characters, but in this case we're dealing with the switching LOD, and so these are really nice ways to view the different models to see. So this is the base on the right, and if you look at the left here, there's 2, and there is the base. So this is the extreme. So you go from low on the left to, or sorry, on the right to the highest on the left, and you can see the amount of polygons reduced in the train. I just hope that helps. It's called Simplygon. It's used in our calculations for decreasing the polygon count into game engines for the Kinect 3D project.